Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Coinbase and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing. See you next time.